Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and maybe good night, wherever you are in the world. Today, Happy New Year, is day 2 of the RC with Adam 12 days of Christmas, celebrating the birth of the one and only, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, Jesus Christ, as a little baby, celebrating his birth because he is very generous, and that is why we give gifts at Christmas time, to share in that generosity and as a symbol of the gift that he is to us. And so to celebrate that on this channel, we're doing 12 days of giveaways, and we started out yesterday with a banger, 2 Go-Go Bird Eagles. Go check out that video. Today is going to be, I was going to say no different. It's going to be completely different, but it's going to be a banger. Check this out. Bottom line up front. This is what you're going to win by commenting on this video. If I select you as a winner, you're going to win it. But comment on this video, read the description down below this video for all the rules of the giveaway. I'm not going to repeat them all in this video right now. Read the rules, comment once, comment only once, and comment if you don't want to win this, but you want to comment, just say, hey, don't put me in the giveaway. So this guy, what do we got here? This is a special, it's an RC with Adam special, let's call it. So as I was talking about on the live stream previously, this is a drone that I bought all these new components for. Thought it was super cool in theory, but then never actually ended up using them. So what are you going to get if you win this? This is an AOS5 frame, I believe. I can't remember the technical names and stuff, but it's a pretty well engineered stout frame. And it does have I have the top plate, but I just don't have the top plate on to show you right now. So you'll have the whole top plate and everything. The motors are Lumineer POPO 2407 1700 kV motors. You can get a good look at that. Yeah, so these are the pop on, pop off. Let me grab some props just to show you what we're talking about. Oh yeah, and you're gonna get a bunch of POPO props. The pop on, pop off propellers. So they have the special little ball detent in there, and there's like a little detent in the hub of the propeller. You take a little tool, like a little 1.5 millimeter driver bit, you push down in the center, you get the propeller over the balls, it clicks, and now it is locked in place. That's the concept with the POPO stuff. So, you know, does it work well? I don't know, because I've never used these. Isn't that crazy? It's kind of embarrassing, but I said, you know what? I'm going to give away this stuff because I'm sure somebody out there is going to appreciate this more and actually have a use for it. And it's fun to give stuff, you know, and it's fun, especially if it hurts just a little bit and you're like, ooh, that's a really cool thing. Wouldn't it be fun to keep it? Well, it's actually more fun to give it away. So I'm really looking forward to one of you guys getting this. So that's the frame, that's the motors, that's the propellers. And then the stack here is a basically brand new unused FlyWoo F745PRO. So we've got a 30 by 30 ESC board, and then a 20 by 20, I think it's 20 by 20 flight controller stack on the top. So some soldering, some assembly required with this guy. And I said, you know what, let's sweeten this deal up a little bit, just in case maybe you're just getting started and you want all the components. So that's the whole powertrain, the frame. I'm also going to include this camera. This is, it's like nothing special. It's a Cadex FPV Ratel camera. I'm not even sure like how old this is or whatever, but it's analog. And then with that, I also grabbed, because I just ripped these off of another quad that was like partially assembled. This is the iFlight Success Force VTX. And I even got you a little VTX antenna. I'm pretty sure that's the right one to go on there. So there you go. That way you're pretty much all set up there. I don't know why I just went Canadian there, but there you go. You just need a receiver pretty much, and then you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's going to be super fun. Remember, leave a comment, one comment. Once you win on one of these giveaways, as I draw the names, you will not be chosen again. So make sure you only enter in the ones that you really want to win. But remember, you can still stop by and say hi and leave a comment, and just not be entered, or say that you don't want to be entered just for that. And thanks for watching this whole video. If you watched it, I appreciate that. That's kind of a way of saying thank you. Give it a thumbs up. leave a comment, watch the video. Go to my whole playlist of videos and just click play and just let it play all day. That kind of helps, I think, with the watch time. So anyway, most of all though, just Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I hope this goes to a great FPV pilot person out there, or soon to be one. I think that's all I got for you today. This is going to be a fun one. So that's it. We have so many more to go. But thanks for joining me, and I will see you again on the next one. Actually, very soon. Happy New Year.